In this video, I'll show you how I use the hottest AI tools to write my blog. Hey, it's Chris. I build AI automation using no-code tools, and today I'll show you how I use them for writing blogs. Writing a blog can be hard, but with the right tools, it makes it easier. And let me show you how I built my system with AI tools that helps me write everything, like the titles, the audience, the intros, the body, conclusion, you name it. So it might sound very complicated or even a little scary, but it's actually simple, and I'll break it down for you. So here's the high overview of how I use different AI tools to write my blog posts. So I broke down the blog component into 5 different parts. So there's title, the audience, the intro, the body, and the closing. So when I instruct the AI to write each of this, the AI will have a specific task, so it doesn't get overwhelmed and produces a better and accurate result. So for the title, I use like 3 AI. So first I use Gemini to write a prompt to the second AI, which generates 5 blog titles. And then the GPT will choose among of those 5 blog titles generated. And then the target audience, I use Perplexity to research my target audience based on the blog title and the blog topic. And then the blog intro and closing, again, I use Gemini to create the prompt for each section, and then the Claude will write the content. Then the final draft, I use GPT to act as a quality assurance to check the formatting, the content, the tone for each blog section, so to make sure that it is correct, right? So the reason why I broke things down, because like I said, it leads to a better result and accurate result. So you can apply this method in other areas too. So the key is you have to understand how to use each of these AI tools. So Gemini is great for summarizing large context, Perplexity is great for research, Claude is great for writing, and then GPT is great for complex tasks. So knowing the use case for each of these AI tools will really help you to use them more effectively and get better results. So really hope that you find this very helpful, and if you have an idea on how to use it better, please leave in a comment. I'd love to know it. Cheers.